Next up, strobe lights. Now, this one is specifically for those that want to fly at night or during twilight hours. And if you're flying after sunset or before sunrise, having a strobe light is not just a good idea, it's actually required by law in the United States. It's also very common in other countries as well. The main reason for these lights is to make sure that you are visible from other aircraft. It can help a little bit with visual line of sight and visual contact, but you can't rely primarily on these things for that at night. They can help you orient your drone when it's far away or when the lighting conditions make it hard to see. Now, the FAA recommends that you also have the strobe lights on when you fly during daytime operation. This makes your drone more visible to other aircraft, which quite frankly can't hurt. The key here is getting a strobe light that is bright enough to be effective, but is not so heavy that is going to significantly impact your flight time. Now, most quality strobe lights are pretty lightweight and designed specifically for drone use, so you don't really have to worry too much about throwing off the drone's balance. A good budget for a good strobe light is around $20 to $40. We actually recommend this brand right here, Firehouse Arc V, probably the top #1 light that you can be using.